Hi everybody, this is Barkha here from Healing Hearts and Souls. Wishing you all a great, happy, prosperous and abundant new year. I would like to share with you today switch word phrases for attracting money. Yes, for 2021 everybody wants to gear up. It's a great time for us to retrospect, start planning for the next year. We haven't had a good year this year, right? Because of the pandemic. And yes, we've gone through a lot of tough times. So let's not allow the negative thoughts, emotions, and memories of the past stop us from growing into the future. So a great switch word phrase that I can share with you today for removing these kind of negative thoughts and emotions or memories in your subconscious mind. You can use this switch word phrase: cancel, clear, delete. Now, cancel, clear, delete is also a phrase that you can use to remove any debts that you have. It could be financial or any karmic debts that you have, or something that you have an energy exchange debt. Like sometimes you've taken services of some people and you haven't paid them in return, and you think it's okay, and you ask favors, or you haven't done anything in return for that particular person. So these are all debts that kind of accumulate into our karmic account. So it's not going to have any bad effects, but then yes, it's good to release yourself from the karmic debts, right? So you can use cancel, clear, delete. And if anything pops up in your mind that you have done use somebody's services and you haven't paid to that person, or you haven't returned a favor or something like that, so be kind and be nice and just reply to that person, and if possible then complete the circle of energy. So do something in return nice for them and acknowledge them, or send them a gift, or just do a favor in return. So that's a nice phrase that you can always use. 108 times you can chant. If you want to break it up during the day, you can chant it about 24 times each time. It's great. I mean, there are no particular times that when should I use this phrase or not. Whenever you feel like negative thoughts and emotions building up, you can use this phrase. The other one that I would like to share with you today is increasing money flow, attracting abundance and prosperity. So this you can chant this phrase as well 108 times. Note it down if you would like to. Together, divine Lakshmi, count, find now. Bring together divine Lakshmi, count, find now. Bring together divine Lakshmi, count, find now. So this is the phrase that you will chant to attract miraculous money and countable money. Even if you have an amount in your mind, you can set the intention and thank the universe that thank you for bringing me and blessing me with this amount of money. Whatever you have in your mind, it could be in thousands or lakhs or whatever it is. Set the intention that you're thanking as if it's already done. So do not doubt how is it going to come or how is it going to be done in advance. Just thank the universe, thank the goddess Lakshmi that you have already received this abundance and this prosperity in your life. So try it out. Also, you can use the miraculous windfall of money frequency number. That's 520 hertz. If you have seen my videos before, I'm sure you would be knowing this already. Or you can also use 741 Hz, that is 741 hertz, which is the frequency for removal of obstacles. So in any situation you want to remove your obstacles, you can either chant this number 45 times, or you can write it on the left side of your body with a blue or a green pen. Try it out and let me know what are your results. It works very, very fast. miraculously. Just don't doubt, have complete faith and do it. Any questions, ask me drop me a message. You can contact me on the number below or leave your comment in the comment box. Thank you. Have a great day. Happy healing and see you soon. Oh, I've got a class coming at this weekend. If you would like to attend it, let me know. It's just a 2 days basic introduction class for switch words, and we also have a course coming up. So get in touch if you're interested, and take care. Happy healing. Bye bye.